Hi, my name is Aishwarya. Today I'm going to explain about the IMDB movie analysis project which I have done. And this I have downloaded the datasets from this IMDB movies which contains lot of data in that. Some of the data are underrated to us for this project. So in this first part is data cleaning, which will contains the unrelated datasets and missing values and removing duplicates. So I have removed some unrelated data which are not related to this project, like color, critical for values, director Facebook likes and all, and remove the duplicate values and the missing values in the data. So after all the remove and cleaning part, I got this data, which is a clean data after cleaning process. I got this data, which is contains of 3,772 totally data. So moving to the task one, which is movie gene analysis. In this, we have to find the most common gene of movie in the dataset and calculate the statistic values for that. So, moving to this, I have taken the genes part and copy paste in the new column. After that, I have separated those data in different columns by using a delimiter one. After that, I have after this it got separated from column 1 to 8 with um, after the delimiter process. Okay. After that, I have taken the unique genes for that and calculated the count for each gene. Um, for count, I have used the counter function and taken the range from column 1 to 8. Column 1 to 8, if it contains a specific gene, it will count the values. So totally, I have counted for these values, and I have created a bar chart and pie chart for those. After that, I have calculated the statistic values like mean, median, mode, variance, and deviation. For these values, I have used the formulas. For mean, I have used average, median, mode, variance, standard deviation. I have used the um, formulas itself. For range, I have um, subtracted the max value minus mean. Max minus mean, I have taken the value as range, and I have given those screenshots in that for first. For first task, I have copy pasted the most common genes in that, and after that, I have pasted the calculations of that and the formulas also with the bar chart and pie chart, which I have done. Moving to the next one, which is movie duration analysis. For this part, I have taken some class intervals like 21 to 40 up to 321 to 340. I have taken these class intervals and calculated these values for that for each class intervals. If the duration is between those intervals, it will return the IMDb score. This is the formula I have used in that. Let me show inserting one. I'm taking like 121 to 140. Okay, I have used if greater than or equal to 121. Star is equal to 140. Then it will give the IMDB score. IMDB score which is G. So like this I'm copy pasting it to all details. So it will contain these. After this I'm copying and pasting their values in there. After pasting I'm replacing the false value with blank. So replacing it all, it got replaced. After that going to the and clicking on blank, selecting the blank and deleting. By this way I got these datas in the each class intervals. After that I have calculated this table. I have for count I have used a counter, taken the range in the duration and counted it. And for average I have taken the average formula and taken the average ranges from AH value and these class interval values I have taken. And for median also I have taken the class interval median for the range and used the median value formula. For standard deviation also I have used the formula STD dot P and taken the average range as standard deviation range as AH, these class intervals. After calculating all this, I have calculated the overall value like averages from AD2 to AD17. By this I have calculated for both median and standard deviation also. That is the one I have copy pasted in the calculated values of each. And for the IMDB scores for each class intervals and use the formula for this. And and for the class interval and count I have given the bar chart. And moving to the language analysis. Language analysis I have taken these languages and calculated the same way and got the IMDB score for the each languages and calculated these count, mean and median standard deviation values for that, which I did before. As like this I have calculated the uh, language values also, got the IMDB score for each languages. After that I have counted for each. For count, I have used a count formula. After that, mean, average, median, and standard deviation values. And for Arabic, these and all I have taken the range in duration itself, like H2 and their ratings, and calculate displayed in this chart. By this way, I have done for language. So pasted the screenshot for the reference, and given the count formula value. And the next task is director analysis. Director analysis: identify the top directors based on their average IMDb score analysis that analyze their contribution to the success of movies using person count. For this, I have copy pasted the directors list and director list, and for number of movies, I have used a count if value and the range from A2 to A last given director values. If it contains, for example, Steven, it will return a count. It will add the count value. By this way, I have counted for each directors, and for average also I have used average if value, average if formula with the range of directors and the IMDb score. It will return the IMDb score there and calculate the average. For percentile rank, it will I have used the percent rank of this formula for this and taken the range from CC from first to last, CC to at last, and multiplying it to 100. By this way I got this, and I have pasted this screenshot for reference, and I have given formula which I have used also. And at last, the last task of this project is budget analysis, which is analyzing the correlation between the movie budget and the gross earnings and identify the highest profit margin. So for this, I have taken the movie title, gross, and budget from the given data and pasted here. After this, I have calculated the profit value. I have calculated the profit value by subtracting gross minus budget. I got the easy profit calculation for that. Gross minus budget, I got this profit values. After this, I got the profit percentage value by dividing profit by budget. I got those values by this formula. After this, I have calculated here. I have created a bar chart for them, which contains the movie name and the budget and profit for this. And I have pasted this screenshot for reference. This is the calculation I have used and the screenshots. That's all. Thank you.